Do you know how to say clean in Turkish? We're about to demystify that. In the beautiful Turkish language, the verb clean translates to
temizlemek.
Did you catch that? Let's say it again. Temizlemek. It's not just about the verb though, the noun cleanliness also plays a part. In Turkish, cleanliness is
Temizlik.
so we have temizlemek and temizlik. Two great words to have in your Turkish vocabulary, especially when you're hoping to impress with your domestic skills or hygiene habits. We're about to dive deeper into how to use this verb in various contexts. So stick around because temizlemek is about to become your new favorite Turkish word. Next, we will look at how to use this verb in different contexts. Exciting, isn't it? Let's dive into the different ways you can use temizlemek in phrases. This versatile verb can be used in a variety of contexts, from everyday chores to expressing deeper values. Consider this sentence.
Her gün odamı temizlerim.
In English, this means, I clean my room every day.
Her gün odamı temizlerim.
It's a simple, straightforward use of temizlemek, perfect for discussing daily routines. Now let's look at temizlemek, used in a slightly different context.
Ali havuzu temizliyor.
In English, this means Ali is cleaning the pool.
Ali havuzu temizliyor.
Here, temizlemek is used to describe an ongoing action. How about when we talk about cleanliness as a concept? We can say,
Bazı insanlar temizlik konusunda takıntılıdır.
which translates to, some people are obsessive about cleanliness.
Bazı insanlar temizlik konusunda takıntılıdır.
We can also use temizlemek when discussing activities that occur at specific times. Consider the sentence.
Arabayı hafta sonları temizler.
This means he cleans the car on weekends.
Arabayı hafta sonları temizler.
When discussing professional services, temizlemek comes in handy. Take this question for instance.
Evimi temizlemek için ne kadar istiyorsun?
This translates to, how much do you charge for cleaning my house?
Evimi temizlemek için ne kadar istiyorsun?
Moving on to hygiene, we can say,
Diş temizliği yaptırmak ne kadar?
which means, how much is getting a dental cleaning?
Diş temizliği yaptırmak ne kadar?
And let's not forget about the importance of teamwork. The sentence
Mutfağı birlikte temizleyelim.
encourages us to, let's clean the kitchen together.
Mutfağı birlikte temizleyelim.
Finally, we can use temizlemek when discussing broader societal values. For example,
Çevremizi temiz tutalım.
which urges us to, let's keep our environment clean.
Çevremizi temiz tutalım.
As you can see, temizlemek can be used in a variety of situations, from daily routines to professional services, from personal hygiene to societal values. This verb is truly versatile. Keep practicing these sentences, and soon temizlemek will become a natural part of your Turkish vocabulary. Now, let's move on to some related phrases and words. There are also some useful phrases related to cleaning that you may find useful. For instance, the Turkish word for cleanliness is temizlik. You might use this in a sentence like,
Banyo temizliği iyi durumdaydı.
which translates to, the bathroom was in a good state of cleanliness.
Banyo temizliği iyi durumdaydı.
Also, the phrase
Temizlik önceliğimizdir.
means cleanliness is our priority.
Temizlik önceliğimizdir.
You can use this phrase in a variety of contexts, such as in a restaurant or a hospital setting. Also, the phrase
Temizlik imandandır.
means cleanliness is from faith.
Temizlik imandandır.
You can use this phrase in various contexts to emphasize the importance of cleanliness and hygiene in one's faith or belief system. Finally, the phrase
Ellerinizi temizlemeyi unutmayın.
is a reminder to, don't forget to clean your hands. This is a crucial phrase, especially in today's health-conscious world. These phrases can be very useful when talking about cleaning in Turkish. Let's recap what we've learned today. In our Turkish language lesson, we focused on the verb clean, which is temizlemek. We also learned that the noun cleanliness is temizlik. We dove deep into the usage of these words in various contexts and discovered some useful phrases related to cleaning. Great job! You've learned how to use the verb clean in Turkish. Thank you for watching and see you in our next lesson.